Welcome if you're new here. Welcome back if you are returning. Received the box today. Oops, was that my address? Probably the post office's address. But so I received, this is Tillamook. Had errands to do today. Check my mailbox on my way in. I only check my mailbox maybe twice a week, and so I don't know how long this has been in my box. Today is August 9th, and so it's from City Beauty. I wanted to show it to you really quick. There will be links to these items down below in case you're interested in checking them out before you see me come back with my review video. And yes, I did say skincare. Y'all know I have sensitive skin. I tend to stick with what I have, but given the opportunity, I said, you know what, let me just try it and see, and I am hopeful. One thing I definitely, I don't need to keep holding this box. One thing I definitely wanted to try was the Beyond mascara. Excuse me. If you've been here, oh shoot, I don't have my box cutters way over there. Previously, well, I do have quite a few, 2, 4, 5 of their lip glosses, and so the opportunity came up. Part of the partnership program, I'm gonna have to grab my, excuse me for a second, grab my box cutter because I cannot get this piece of plastic off of here. Part of the partnership program, they send us a form every quarter and they tell us how many, it's the list of products we can choose from. And so I was excited to choose the Beyond mascara because I just wanted to know about it. And I only keep open, excuse me for smacking, 1 mascara at a time, 2 at the most, especially if one is a travel size. And so I was really curious about their mascara. It says Beyond Mascara Volumizing Treatment. So this is a treatment mascara. I will put somewhere over here like what it's supposed to treat, what it's supposed to do. And it is a regular size mascara. This is Lancome, and this is the Lancome Definicils that I currently have open. So it's a typical size for mascara. So I will be trying this and letting you know how that worked for me. This, it sounded interesting. This says Concentrated Youth Serum. I do use serums for face. I have eye serums. I have eye cream. I have, moisturizers for the face. And so I said, this may be interesting. It says Firm and Restore, and restores the look of smooth, firm skin and reduces the look of wrinkles for an overall younger appearance. Rejuvenating enzymes, smoothing compounds. So that's what this says down here. Advanced Wrinkle Fix, this says. Dramatically smoothing. This is my bare face. I do have skincare on. I just got back home like 25 minutes ago from running errands. And so this is my bare skin with just skincare from maybe 5 hours ago, maybe 6 hours ago. So I don't have a lot of wrinkles, and I do get Botox for migraine prevention and treatment, and not for cosmetic reasons at all. And it does help for migraines, which is amazing. And if you're a migraine sufferer, when you find something that works, it is life-changing. But a few of the Botox injections, there's like one here, one here, and I think there's like 4 across here. And I didn't have wrinkles up here anyway. And so when he first saw me, he's like, yeah, these are not for cosmetic reasons for you at all. Because some people will say they have migraines, but they really want it for, forehead wrinkles. But I don't have any. And he tells me I don't have crow's feet. But again, it's for migraine prevention and treatment. So I don't have a lot of wrinkles. But if I want to see if it's going to do, like what it's going to do just for my skin overall, because it does say Firm and Restore. And, I got this little thing on over here, which is weird that it doesn't come like all the way across. So I was just really curious. And if it works out for me, I'm excited for that, because who wouldn't like another alternative serum in their routine? And it says you can use morning or night. Let me hold it up while I'm reading. This is the bottle. Let me hold it up while I'm reading the side of the box. Suggested use morning and night massage serum onto dry, clean skin using an upward motion allowed to fully absorb. Solution for fine lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, and also thin skin. So I am really curious if it will do something for here, because people say I don't have crow's feet, but I do. I just have wrinkles over here. So I'm just really curious of like what it's going to do, how my skin will react to it. And I picked these items intentionally so I can report back to you. The PAO is 12 months for that, and the PAO for the mascara, I cannot see what it says, but usually mascaras are 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months. But so I don't know what it is for that. So the other thing that I chose, I took my time when I chose, because I didn't want to just get something just to be like, oh, you know, like I wanted to be serious about, is this something that could possibly end up being a part of my skincare routine. This says Advanced Retinol System. Restore and renew, rejuvenate skin for a supple, radiant, and firm look. Encapsulated retinol and vitamin C. Dual serum solution, deeply penetrating, it says on the box. And the PAO for this, oh, it's only 6 months. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. It is a step 1 and a step 2, and some of the reviews on their website, the website will be listed below. I do have an affiliate code, and if you don't want to use it, that's fine. What does this say? Solution for wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, sagging, dullness. Apply step 1, the Restore Serum at night to clean dry skin and let fully absorb, and let fully absorb. Follow with step 2, renew retinol serum, avoiding eyes and lip areas. If new to retinol, start by using 1 to 2 times a week, adding a day each week to build up the skin's tolerance. Decrease frequency. If irritation occurs, apply sunscreen during the day. And it does have the manufacturing date on the box, but again, the PAO is 6 months. And so once I open this, 6 months, it should either be used up or it will just be trash, because that's when they say it should be done as far as the effectiveness of this and the ingredients that's in here. The last ingredient for step 1 and step 2 is fragrance. I don't know if that's going to affect my skin or not, and it being at the bottom of a list of a whole lot of other stuff, I don't think it'll be an issue. I am not new to retinol. I have retinol eye serum, retinol eye cream. I use vitamin C during my wake up skincare routine. I also use prescription tetranoin, which is retinol. So I'm not new to it at all, but I thought, you know, this may be another alternative. You know what I'm saying? And I don't, well, let me back up. So I just took the cap off, and their packaging is really sleek. It looks very luxurious. It doesn't feel lightweight. It doesn't feel cheap. So this says step 1, restore, and this one says step 2, renew. Some of the reviews on the website, because I did look at reviews before I chose what I chose, and some people were saying it would be nice if they were used up equally, and then other people were saying it was used up equally. So I don't know, but I'll I'll be using this and let you know how my skin reacts to it. Does my skin like it? Is it helping my skin, or whichever? And me not being new to retinol serums, I expect that it will maybe be indifferent. I don't expect to see like a dramatic change, because I already use retinol, I already use tetranoin, and so for me, I just want to see, is my skin going to like it? And if so, this will be another option for me from particularly Peter Thomas Roth, because I have his PM Fusion retinol serum, and Peter is expensive. This line is expensive too. City Beauty is expensive because all of their products have like some type of treatment in it, and so you're paying for skincare, and skincare is an investment, and if it's high quality skincare, it's going to cost you some money. And so if there's something that your skin likes, like whatever my skin likes, I'm going to continue to buy it even if it's expensive. The Peter vitamin C serum is $105 at this point, but I do have backups from a half off sale a while ago. But I'm like, if my skin loves it, I'm going to keep getting it. So even if I needed to pay full price $105 for that, I would. And I'm just saying that to say, for me, skincare is an investment. This is an expensive brand. I will have pricing down. Actually, I'll put pricing over here for the concentrated youth serum, the mascara, and for this, so you'll see it here, and it will be down below. The last thing I chose, because we were allowed to choose 4 items, I definitely wanted that mascara too. This one is Barrier Rescue Firming Night Cream. I don't have sagging issues, it's just this under here, and I think this is a weight thing. When I gain weight, it just, I don't know. but it's been there for a while now, and it's only just right here, which is friggin' weird. Like, why are you not all the way over? But it says plump and recover. Reduce the look of wrinkles and locks in moisture by supporting the skin's barrier. Youth lipid complex and gardenia extract. And the POA on here is 6 months as well. Wow. And so some of my skincare, the eye serums are 6 months, but most of my stuff, the PAO is a year. And I do finish it up, you know, within like 7 or 8 months. And so this is what this looks like. And it has a pop top, and you push it down, the product comes up, you swipe it off, you know, put it on your face, and then take something and clean this off. So I do like this, how even though it's a cream, it's not messy, it's not a jar that you have to stick your fingers into, that type of thing. And so, and I don't mind doing that, but some people do. But this is definitely more sanitary. And I do wash my hands, well, I wash my face, which also washes my hands, and then I do my skincare. And so I don't feel like I'm putting dirty fingers in my product. And I keep my nails short, stubby, and clean. And you can tell they're clean because you can see that they're white and you don't see any grunge underneath. And so I don't have any qualms about putting my finger in my serum. But if you or moisturizer, if you share skincare with someone, this would be handy because you're putting your fingers in it, they're putting their fingers in it. You know if your hands are clean, they know if their hands are clean. You might not know if each other's hands are clean. And so this would be very handy. Just push it down. Drunk Elephant, I think, has a product like that. Or it might have been Murad, where you push it down, it pops up, and then you swipe it and then clean it off. So this, I do like this design. And so on the back of it and on the box, do they say the same thing? Some of it says the same and some of it doesn't. On the box, what it is, Barrier Rescue is a restorative, excuse me for that glare, is a restorative night cream designed to deliver deep hydration, fortifying lipids, support the skin barrier, locking in essential moisture, while advanced peptides and antioxidants help reduce the look of wrinkles for a smoother, plumper, firmer look overnight. Solution for fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and sagging skin. I don't believe I have any of those issues, and I will say it's because of my skincare routine. Again, though, if my skin likes this, this will be another alternative. And if I have a cream that I use and I'm going through it in like 8 months, I can use this one night, use that another night, and prolong the use of both jars, if that makes sense. And this would be nice too. I'm excited for this as a night cream because after I do my skincare at night, I don't put on a night cream. One of the creams I use is a thick cream, and so I feel like, okay, I have enough stuff on my face. My daytime cream, the Dr. Dennis Gross SOS Repair something face moisturizer, I used to use it twice a day, and now I just use it in the morning. It is very expensive. It's like over $70. And the PAO is a year, but I was using it in like 4 or 5 months when I was using it twice a day. So I started using it once a day. My skin is still happy because of all the stuff I put on at night. And so I thought it would be nice though to still have just a moisturizer for at night without using up Dennis. And so again, just another alternative. And I am excited to use it. And honestly, I don't foresee any issues that my skin will have with these products. And so I am really excited. And if I do have an issue, if my skin doesn't like it, I will be really disappointed because reading about these products on the website, which is what I did before I chose what I chose, I was just like, this sounds really good. And so suggested use, I already read that. Okay, so yeah, so this is for nighttime. And I'm really excited. And so I will definitely, did I read that part? Youth Lipid Complex. This unique engineered lipid blend contains a youthful lipid balance that helps support the skin barrier for long-term hydration and external stressor protection. Skin Smoothing Complex. This ingredient helps shield skin from oxidative damage for a rejuvenated, years younger appearance. Do I look like I'm 54 though? Tell me. But anyway, skincare, I'm telling you, is an investment. Smoothing Peptide Booster. These powerful peptides support the building blocks that help skin look firm, elastic, and plump while reducing the appearance of wrinkles, free from parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, and sulfates. And I think the other things are also free from those same ingredients, and they are. This is the Advanced Retinol System, free from parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil. Let's look at the, concentrated youth serum. It says the same thing, free from parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and mineral oil. And I'm probably saying phthalates wrong. The way it's spelled, I don't know how to pronounce it. I need to just Google it. But anyway, and everything has the bunny on it. I'm just double checking because I don't want to lie to you. Yeah, everything has the bunny on it, including the mascara. So I'm going to be trying this night cream. I'm going to be trying the Advanced Retinol System. I'm going to be trying the Youth Concentrated System. Actually, it's Concentrated Youth Serum. And I will be using the mascara. You will see this in videos as I'm doing my makeup looks. The other stuff, I'm just going to use it behind the scenes. And maybe I'll do a get unready with me. I'm not sure though. Because there's other stuff, and then I do that in the bathroom, wash face and remove makeup and all of that. But so yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'll just come back and let you know how these 3 skincare items work, and you will see me use the mascara and hear my thoughts on that in the video. And when I come back and do a review of these 4 items, I will also include my thoughts about the mascara too. So that's how we're going to do that. If you've heard of City Beauty, I know you, if you've been here, I know you've heard of it from their lip glosses that I have, their plumping lip glosses. But if you have not heard of the brand and you're hearing me now, like, what do you think about it? And if you have heard of the brand and you've looked up, you know, some of their products, what are your thoughts about it? If you have used some of their products, let's help each other out down in the comments and share what your experiences are, because I can say what I say. It may work for me, I may love it, and your experience may be something different. And that helps other people who watch the video and who do read the comments decide whether or not they may want to try something. And so they're not only hearing my experience, but they're also reading about your experience. And I feel like that's really important when deciding whether or not to try products, especially when they're expensive. And so help me help other people with thoughts and reviews and comments or whatever. So I'm going to go. I'm putting the stuff in this box so I can carry this box into my bathroom, because I'm trying a sample cream now, and I think I have one more use out of it. And so tomorrow, I'm going to leave the mascara here. So tomorrow night, because retinol is used at night, the night cream is used at night. And when is this rescue? Concentrated youth serum. I keep wanting to say youth concentrated serum. This says morning and night. So tomorrow morning I am going to try this, and tomorrow night I'll use the retinol system and I'll use the moisturizer. And so that's what we're going to do, and then we'll be back. I'll say maybe 2 weeks we'll be back. If something really crazy happens, if my face breaks out or whatever, we'll be back sooner than that, because then I won't continue using it. And so if you don't see me talk about these for a few weeks, I'm still using it. But I will definitely come back and I will let you know my review. Not first impressions. It'll be a review, because I will have used them for a little bit. So let me know your thoughts. All of those questions. Have you heard of the brand? Have you used anything from the brand? Are you interested in anything from the brand? And if so, what in particular? And if you have used anything from the brand, please leave your thoughts down below so that we can help out other people who are watching and commenting and reading comments. Thank you so much for being here. Stuff will pop up for you to watch, as always, even though I didn't do the intro. Self-acceptance, self-love. That is the Crazy Troll Nation way. Thank you, and you will see me soon.